Hi and welcome to Tableau 101. Today I want to show you how you can split lists across multiple dashboards in order for you to get like a report printed out that might have like just a table of data. Like in this case, we've just customer name, the sales segment and sales, and we have a list of up to 800 rows here. But we want to be able to create like a PDF report that just kind of prints out the whole list. So what we can do is we created an index, which is the index function. All you do is type index. You drag that index into the row filter. And then you just need to make sure that it's discrete. So here we have the exact replica of it. We can drag that one out for now. You just need to make sure that it's computing along the table down. What we then need is, and we've done it on page 1, we create a parameter called page bucket. So all we do is we create an integer type, we set the current value to something, and make sure that it allows for all values. We then go to our first page true filter, which we'll check now, which just basically says if the index is less or equal than the page bucket, then set it to true. So we've done this here in the filter. What this gives you is it gives you the first 30 rows of your index of your sheet, and then we replicate it for the second page with the second page filter, and there the only thing we change is we say where the index is higher than the page bucket and the index is lower or equal page bucket plus page bucket. So that way we can ensure that we get the correct amount in. And you can see that here. So here we have from 31 to 60. And on the dashboard, it looks then like this. So you always have 30 rows here, whatever you're displaying, and then another 30 rows here, whatever you're displaying. And you can just then keep replicating this calculation along page 3, 4, and so on. I hope this helps you in your Tableau journey. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe the video.